Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Copilot for your PowerPoint. So this will be available for people who get the Pro version of Copilot or the Microsoft 365 bundle in Microsoft. So basically it's Copilot right here, but integrated into your own PowerPoint. So basically this is how you do it. First, you create a new presentation in PowerPoint and create the presentation about, and then you put your own prompt right in. So here, it's going to be a Copilot button dedicated for that. And then next, you'll have to complete the prompt with a description, as I have said. So create a presentation about World War II tanks, something like that. And then here, you'll be able to actually edit it if you want to modify the generated topic by Copilot. So basically next is by adding the actual plus button, you can describe your topic to go more in-depth from that, such as this one. As you can see, you can go in-depth with this. So you add a topic and it will go do a sub branch of that topic. So next is creating a presentation with the Copilot chat. There will be a Copilot chat in the top right corner of your screen here in your PowerPoint. And basically you'll have to create a presentation about, and then you'll have to make the draft. So just like a prompt, you'll have to make the draft and then click send. It'll create a template for you. So basically next there's templates also. So this one is pretty blurry because this is coming from the Microsoft support. So you can open an existing presentation already and then use Copilot in the button and the home tab so that you will be able to make a better presentation using your Copilot basically. So you can even upload your own actual Copilot in PowerPoint, and then you upload your own file and it will improve it by the Copilot button and then create a presentation but from file. So basically that's it. That's how you use your Microsoft Copilot for your PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.